Hey YouTube, I got a great idea just a little bit ago of, yes, my backyard looks like a forest, deal with it. Um, but I had a great idea of where to put the stickers everybody's been sending me. Now, I got a few, and I got some of mine on here too, but I wanted to put them in a place where the majority of the people would see them while I'm out and about. So I'm gonna pause the video here, get the stickers put on, and then I'll show y'all where I'm gonna use my stickers at. Alright, I got some set up, and if more people would wanna get their stickers posted, please send them to me. Send me an email, I'll trade you stickers. Okay, so we're gonna flip the camera around here. Okay, we got Roadkill Customs, we got Dr. Art, we got Jeff from 2 Hex. So Jeff, you'll be able to see your sticker as we're going down the quarter mile. Now, lane choice might be an issue, so on this side I got your other sticker, so you'll be able to see him, Jeff. Let's get that smooth down there so it doesn't fall off. And then right up front in the middle here we have Roadkill's 500 No Name National one. It's all on the tailgate of Copperhead. So that way, while I'm racing everybody will get a good look at all the stickers I have on the back, because that's where most people are going to be, behind me. So anyway, y'all have a good night. This was just a quick impromptu video I wanted to do real quick because I had the idea to do this. So y'all have a good one and take it easy.